Alright, welcome to Ribbon. This is C# tutorial and we're working with basic concepts and we're working with constants. So if we go back to solo learn, you should see constants down here. Just click on that. Now make sure you're on the first arrow as well, even though there's only one. Okay, so constants are very simple to understand. I'm going to pause the video. You should read this right there. Alright, now that you read that, you should understand that constants cannot be changed. So using the keyword constant, um, it's not going to change this value later on in the code. Okay, and it says the value of constant pi cannot be changed during the program execution, which would be something like this. This will cause an error. Later down the code, you write the variable and you try to say that it equals to something else other than this right here after it's been declared a constant. So just note that you cannot change constants. And to give you an idea of that, I'm going to say this, okay? I'm going to put up here public, and I'm going to touch on public later on in this course. So go to public, and then we want to define the constant. So just put constant, the keyword constant, and then we want to put, let's just say, an integer, and let's put num for number, and let's say that equals to 10. Now if we put output as num, we're going to see this work. So hold on, just go to debug, ctrl, fn, F5. Okay, so you can see that we've got a 10 and that works. So if we close this and we put something like num, the variable, that equals to, let's say 20, you'll notice that if we run this code, it's not going to work and that we get an error down here. Okay, it's because a constant can only be declared one time. So constant keyword can only declare this type of variable one time, and it cannot be changed down here. Okay, so let's go back to solo learn, and it says constants must be initialized with a value when declared, and that's right here. Okay, so if we go to the question, it says fill in the blanks to make the variable num a constant. So how do you complete this? What goes right here? I'm going to stop and pause the video and you should answer it. Alright, now that you've answered it, it should be, well, we have the data type is integer, and we have the variable name, and we have the value. So the only thing to make this a constant will be the constant keyword. Let's be constant. Alright, so let's see if that works. And it works. Okay, that's it for constants. Next is arithmetic operators.